Good morning everyone. So now we will start printing with glass plate. So in our web interface, go into glass plate multi-head printing, click on it and click take to position. So it will show you the pop-up insert glass plate on the bed. So now we will take the glass plate and we will place it on the bed and push this lever against the glass and just tighten it. Now click OK. So the machine will start homing by itself and it will go and position its head to the center. So the machine will guide you for the next step. It is saying that wait for access to stop, insert barrel and tighten the screw, connect the hoses. So we will print with a single head now. So I am taking the barrel and inserting it into the first head. And make sure you are just touching the bed. And now connect the hose. So make sure it's firmly connected and just tighten this knob and try to pull this. Now it is tight, then give OK. So the display is popping up and saying once done please proceed to next step. Just give OK. Now we have inserted first head the first barrel into the first head, and now we are trying to extrude some material and test it. So I will keep one sacrificial plate here. So now we have set the pressure to 1 bar. So 1 bar we have set, and now we are clicking head 1 extrude 10 mm. Just click it. So now we can see the metal is extruding, but it is extruding too much. So I am reducing the pressure to 0.6 bar, and again I am trying the extrusion. So now it feels the metal is coming fine. So now we will go to the next step. Just click OK. Now click position XY center. So if you have found extrusion is less while printing, you can adjust the pressure while printing also. So then now the nozzle is at the center. Now just click, check whether the nozzle is touching the bed or not. So it is touching the bed and give OK. So now the pop-up is saying if found OK, please proceed to G codes section for printing. Click OK, and now go into files, jobs, and in G code directory go into glass plate. Now we are using head 1, so cube lattice H1 0.4 mm G code. So just click on this and give yes. So now you can see the machine is printing on the first head. So if you feel the pressure is a bit higher, you can just reduce while printing, and so now it is printing the first layer. So now the print is done. So the system will go automatically to its home position. So now the printing is done, all the homing is done. So now we can take out the build platform. So just loose this screw and pull back this lever and take the glass plate. Yeah, now we will go for multi-head printing.